Now let's continue talking about the automate menu, and in this video I want to talk about create droplet. Well, droplet is basically just like patch. The difference here is you don't have to open Photoshop and make the steps that we have made in the previous video. Let me show you. I'll press create droplet, and the set, I will choose my set, and of course the action blurring the background, and I will save the droplet in the exercise file, and also the destination I will save it in the exercise file as well. Then don't forget to check override action save as. Now click OK. Now when I open the exercise file, I will see the droplet that I have saved under the name blurring the background, and now I will just click and drag like so, and I will find here the effect has been made.